students, my name is Maruti Prasad. Today we are discussing topic trigonometric ratios and identities, previous mains questions. First question, the value of sine 10 degrees, sine 30 degrees, sine 50 degrees, sine 70 degrees is. Given options are 1 by 36, B 1 by 32, C 1 by 16, D 1 by 18. Finding the value of this function, we know the formula of sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Solution, sin 10 degrees, sin 50 degrees, sin 70 degrees, let a bracket, into sin 30 degrees. See this, here sin 10 degrees, sin 50 degrees can be written as 60 degrees minus 10 degrees. Sin 70 degrees can be written as 60 degrees plus 10 degrees into sin 30 means 1 by 2. See the term in bracket, this is in the form sin theta, sin 60 minus theta, sin 60 plus theta, that equal to 1 by 4 sin 3 theta. Here theta is 10 degrees, here theta is 10 degrees, then 1 by 4 sine of 3 into 10 degrees into 1 by 2. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 become as 1 by 8 sine 30 degrees, that equal to 1 by 8 sine 30 degrees 1 by 2, that is 1 by 16. Then option C is correct. Problem number 2. The value of cos square 10 degrees minus cos 10 degrees cos 50 degrees plus cos square 50 degrees is. These are the options. To find the value of this function, we have to know these three conditions. 2 cos square theta can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta. 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Cos C minus cos D equal to 2 into sin of C plus D by 2 into sin of D minus C by 2. See, let cos square 10 degrees minus cos 10 degrees into cos 50 degrees plus cos square 50 degrees. Multiply and divide with 2, then we get 2 cos square 10 degrees minus 2 into cos 10 degrees cos 50 degrees plus 2 into cos square 50 degrees. 1 by 2 of 2 cos square 10 degrees can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 into 10, 20 degrees, 2 cos A cos B minus of 2 cos A cos B can be written as cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B, cos of A plus B 10 plus 50, 60 degrees plus cos of A minus B 10 minus 50 degrees minus 40, cos of minus theta cos theta, then we can written as 40 degrees plus 2 cos square theta using the first formula, 1 plus cos 2 into 50, 100 degrees. 1 by 2 of, here 1 plus 1, 2 plus cos 20 degrees minus of cos 40 right here cos 40 degrees minus cos 60 can be written as 1 by 2, 1 included here, plus cos 100 degrees. Next, 1 by 2 of 2 plus cos C minus cos D can be written as 2 sine of C plus D by 2, 20 plus 40, 60 by 2, that is 30 degrees. Sine of D minus C, 40 degrees minus 20 degrees, 20 degrees by 2, that is 10 degrees, minus 1 by 2. Cos 100 degrees can be written as cos 90 plus 10, minus sine 10, that is minus sine 10 degrees. See, 1 by 2 of 2 plus 2 into sine 30 degrees, that is 1 by 2 into sine 10 degrees, minus 1 by 2 minus sine 10 degrees. Here 2 cancel, sine 10 degrees also cancel, then the remaining values are that equal to 1 by 2 of here 2 minus 1 by 2 in bracket 4 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 3 by 2, that equal to 3 by 4. Then option D is correct. Then option problem number 3. If the lengths of the sides of a triangle are in AP and the greatest angle is double the smallest, let the sides of the triangles are small a comma small b comma small c in order a is less than b, b is less than c, and angles are angle a comma angle b comma angle c. Given a comma b comma c are in AP, then condition is 2b is equal to a plus c. Given the greatest angle C is double the smallest angle A. C is double the A. Then C equal to 2A. C equal to 2A. Let angle A equal to theta. Then angle C equal to 2 theta. Angle C equal to 2 theta. In triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to pi. Angle A is theta, angle B, angle C is 2 theta, that equal to pi. Then angle B becomes as pi minus 3 theta. This is the value of angle B, pi minus 3 theta. This is angle A. This is angle C. By the condition of sine rule, we know that A by sine A equal to B by sine B equal to C by sine C, that equal to K. Let assume the value K. Then A equal to K sin A, B equal to K sin B, C equal to K sin C. By using the condition 2B equal to A plus C, we can write B means sin B, K sin angle B, that equal to A means K sin A, K sin A plus C means K sin C, K sin C. Here K cancel. Then 2 into sin angle B. And value of angle B is pi minus 3 theta. sine theta plus sine 2 theta. 2 into sine 180 minus theta become as sine 3 theta, that equal to sine theta plus sine 2 theta. 2 into sine 3 theta can be written as 3 sine theta by using the formula sine 3a minus 4 sine cube theta, that equal to sine theta plus sine 2 theta can be written as 2 sine theta cos theta. Let sine common in the bracket, then we get 3 minus 4 sine square theta, that equal to, let sine theta common in these two terms, then we get sine theta of 1 plus 2 cos theta. Here sine theta is cancelled, then sine theta equal to 0, then theta equal to 0 degrees. Angle A equal to 0 degrees is not possible, So let 2 into 3 minus 4 of sine square can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, that equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. 1 plus 2 cos theta. 2 into 3 6 minus 2 into 4 8, 8 into 1 minus 8, minus of minus plus 2 4s 8, 8 cos square theta, that equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. Next 6 minus 8 minus 2 plus 8 cos square theta, that equal to 1 plus 2 cos theta. That implies 8 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta, come to the LHS, minus 2 cos theta. 1 comes to the LHS, then it is minus 1, here minus 2, that is equal to 0. That implies 8 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. By using the factorization method, 8 into minus 3 minus 24, we have to get minus 2 by adding two terms. 6 into 4, here minus 6 into 4, minus 6 into 4 become as minus 24, minus 6 plus 4 become as minus 2. That implies 8 cos square theta minus 6 cos theta plus 4 cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. That implies 2 cos theta of 4 cos theta minus 3 plus 1 of 4 cos theta minus 3, that is equal to 0. Let common 4 cos theta minus 3, then 2 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Here 4 cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0, or 2 cos theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Cos theta is equal to 3 by 4. cos theta equal to minus 1 by 2 belongs to second quadrant. It is not possible. Then we have to take cos theta is equal to 3 by 4. Then ratio of the sides of the triangle is A is to B is to C. A can be written as K sin theta. B can be written as K sin 3 theta. C can be written as K sin 2 theta. K are cancelled. Sin theta is 2. Sin 3 theta can be written as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is 2. Sin 2 theta can be written as 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta is 2. Let common sin theta. Then 3 minus 4. Here sin square theta. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta is to 2 sin theta cos theta. Sin theta, sin theta, sin theta are cancelled. 1 is to 3 minus 4, minus of minus plus 4 into cos theta is equal to 3 by 4. Cos square theta become as 9 by 16 is to 2 into cos theta is equal to 3 by 4. Next, one is to 3 minus 4 minus 1 is to 4 table cancel 16 in 4 times 9 by plus 9 by 4 is to 6 by 4. 1 is to, by taking 4 as LCM, 4 minus 4 plus 9, that is 5 by 6 by 4. By multiplying the 4 to the ratio, then we get 4 is to 5 is to 6. This is the answer. Option number B is correct. Bit number 4. If cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 3 by 5 and sin of alpha minus beta equal to 5 by 13 and 0 less than alpha comma beta less than pi by 4, then tan 2 alpha is. These are the options. Then alpha belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 4. Beta belongs to 0 comma pi by 4 in open interval. Then alpha plus beta belongs to, there is a chance to become 0 to pi by 2. So it is belongs to first quadrant. Alpha minus beta belongs to minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. There is a chance to become alpha minus beta minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Then alpha minus beta belongs to minus pi by 4 comma pi by 4. This is belongs to fourth quadrant or first quadrant. This is belongs to first quadrant. But sin of alpha minus beta greater than 0, then alpha minus beta also belongs to first quadrant. Then alpha plus beta is first quadrant, alpha minus beta is also first quadrant. Then by taking the right angles, this is the angle for alpha plus beta, cos adjacent side by hypotenuse, then opposite side become as 4. This is the triangle for alpha minus beta, sine opposite side by hypotenuse. This is become as 12. We have to find tan 2 alpha. We have to find tan 2 alpha. Tan 2 alpha can be written as tan of alpha plus beta minus alpha minus beta. Sorry, it's plus. That equal to, see, alpha plus beta plus alpha plus alpha 2 alpha, beta are cancelled, then it is tan 2 alpha. It is tan 2 alpha. It is in the form of tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B formula is there. Equal to tan of alpha plus beta plus tan of alpha minus beta by 1 minus tan of alpha plus beta into tan of alpha minus beta. That implies LHS become as tan 2 alpha. In RHS, substituting the values, tan of alpha plus beta 4 by 3 plus tan of alpha minus beta 5 by 12 by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 5 by 12. Let the LCM 36, 12 fours 48, 5 threes 15 by 36 20. 36 are cancelled. 48 plus 15 63 by minus 16. 63 by 16. Number B is correct. Then option number B is correct. Problem number 5. Let f suffix k of x is equal to 1 by k of sin power kx plus cos power kx for k equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 so on. Then for all x belongs to R, the value of f suffix 4 of x minus f 6 of x is equal to. Options are A equal to 1 by 12, B equal to 5 by 12, C equal to 1 by 12, D equal to 1 by 4. Solution: f suffix 4 of x minus f suffix 6 of x can be written as 1 by 4 of sin power 4x plus cos power 4x minus 1 by 6 f suffix 6, then it is 6 replaced k, sin power 6x plus cos power 6x, that equal to 1 by 4 of sin square x whole square plus cos square x whole square minus 1 by 6 of sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube, that equal to 1 by 4 of, it is in the form of a square plus b square. Here a is sin square, b is cos square. By using the first formula, a square plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square, sin square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 into sin square x into cos square x minus 1 by 6 of It is in the form of a cube plus b cube. A is sin square x, b is cos square x. By using the formula sin square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3 into sin square x into cos square x of sin square x plus cos square x. Here sin square x plus cos square x become as 1. 1 by 4 of 1 square is 1 minus 2 sin square x into cos square x minus 1 by 6 of, this is also 1 cube is also 1, minus 3 into sin square x into cos square x into 1. This is also 1. Multiplying 1 by 4 into the bracket, 1 by 4 into 1, 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4 into 2 sin square x into cos square x, 1 by 6 into 1, 1 by 6, minus of minus plus, 3 by 6 of sin square x into cos square x. 2 table cancelled 4 2 times, 3 cancelled 6 2 times. 1 by 2 sin square cos square minus of, this is the plus, 1 by 2 sin square cos square. These two terms are cancelled. Then 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 are the remaining terms. By taking LCM as 12, 3 minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 12. Then option A is correct. Problem number 6. The value of cos pi by 2 square, cos pi by 2 cube, cos pi by 2 power 4, so on, cos pi by 2 power 10 into sin pi by 2 power 10 is, options are A 1 by 1024, B equal to 1 by 2, C equal to 1 by 512, D equal to 1 by 256. See the formula, cos A, cos 2A, cos 2 square A, so on, cos power 2, cos of 2 power n minus 1A is equal to sin 2 power NA by 2 power n into sin A. See the given function, write reversely cos of pi by 2 power 10 from this term, write reversely. Before term is cos of pi by 2 power 9. I am writing as 2 power 10 before 2. 2 by 2 power 10 it's become in denominator 2 power 9. Next term cos of pi by 2 power 8 I am writing as 2 power 10 into 2 square, so on. Last term, this can be written as 2 power 8 by, 2 power 8 into pi by 2 power 10 into sine of pi by 2 power 10. See the term cos pi by 2 power 10 into cos 2 into pi by 2 power 10, cos 2 square of pi by 2 power 10 is in the form of the formula. Then it can be written as sine of 2 power, it is n minus 1, it is then n. So it is 8, it becomes as 9 of pi by 2 power 10 by 2 power 9 into sine of pi by 2 power 10 into sine of this term 5 by 2 power 10. These two terms are cancelled. 1 by 2 power 9. 1 by 2 power 9 become as 512 into sine of 2 power 9 by 2 power 10, that is 2 in denominator, that implies 1 by 512 into sine 90 is 1, that is 1 by 512 is the answer. Then option C is correct option. Problem number 7. For any theta belongs to open interval pi by 4 to pi by 2, the expression 3 into sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4 plus 6 of sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 sin power 6 theta equal to. These are the options. Solution: 3 of sin theta minus cos theta whole power 4 can be written as sin theta minus cos theta whole square and whole square plus 6 of sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus 4 of sin square. Sin square can be written as 1 minus cos square theta whole cube. 3 of a minus b whole square. A square sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta whole square plus 6 of sin square theta a plus b whole square sin square plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 4 of a minus b whole cube, that is equal to a cube 1 cube minus cos square theta whole cube, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square, 1 square is 1 and b square b, 3a square b, that is 3 cos square theta plus 3 b square means cos square whole square, that is cos power 4 theta into a, that is 1. Next, there is a bracket closing, that equal to 3 of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta whole square plus 6 of, here also sin square plus cos square 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta can be written as sin 2 theta plus 4 of 1 minus cos power 6 theta minus 3 cos square theta plus 3 cos power 4 theta. Again expanding this function as a minus b whole square, we get 1 plus sin square 2 theta minus 2 sin 2 theta plus 6 into 1 6 into sin 2 theta 6 sin 2 theta plus 4 into 1 4 minus 4 cos power 6 theta minus 4 3s 12 cos square theta plus 4 3s 12 cos power 4 theta, that equal to 3 into 1 3 plus 3 sin square 2 theta minus 3 to 6 sine 2 theta plus 6 sine 2 theta plus 4 minus 4 cos power 6 theta. Let minus 12 cos square theta as common, then we get here it is 1 minus cos square theta, that equal to, the constants are 3 plus 6 plus 4, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, again 3 sine square 2 theta minus 4 cos power 6 theta minus 12 of cos square theta into 1 minus cos square can be written as sin square theta. 13 plus 3 sin square 2 theta minus 4 cos power 6 theta. Here 3 of 4 can be written as 2. Here cos, sine, I am taking whole square, then 2 square become as 4 cos square sine square. See, 13 plus 3 into sine square 2 theta minus 4 cos power 6 theta minus 3 of sine 2 theta whole square sine square 2 theta. Here 3 sine square 2 theta, 3 sine square 2 theta are cancelled. Then we get the answer 13 minus 4 cos power 6 theta. Option number D is correct. Option D is correct. Problem number 8. The expression tan A by 1 minus cot A plus cot A by 1 minus tan A can be written as. These are the options. Solution. Tan A can be written as sin A by cos A by 1 minus cot can be written as cos A by sin A plus in numerator cot can be written as cos A by sin A by 1 minus tan can be written as sin A by cos A, that equal to sin A by cos A. In denominator, let sin A as LCM, then in numerator sin A minus cos A plus cos A by sin A. Again let cos A as LCM, cos A minus sin A, that equal to sin A comes to the numerator, then that's become sin square A by cos A into sin A minus cos A plus here cos A goes to the numerator, then that's become as cos square A by sin A of cos A minus sin A, that equal to, let common sin A minus cos A, then we get here sin square A by cos A. In the bracket here, cos A minus sin A, but we let the common as sin A minus cos A. Then here it is become minus, here become minus cos square A by sin A. Next, that equal to 1 by sin A minus cos A of, here LCM is cos A into sin A. Sin A multiply the sin square A, then it's become sin cube A minus cos A multiply the cos square A, cos cube A, that equal to 1 by sin A minus cos A of A cube minus B cube, that is A minus B of A square plus AB sin A into cos A plus B square, that is cos square A, by cos A into sin A. Here sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A are cancelled. That equal to sin square A plus cos square A become as 1 plus sin A into cos A by cos A into sin A, that equal to, first I am writing sin A into cos A by cos A into sin A, sin A into cos A by cos A into sin A plus 1 by cos A into sin A. Here sin, cos are cancelled. Then it is equal to 1 plus 1 by cos, that is secant A, 1 by sin, that is cosecant A. Then option B is the correct. Option B is the correct option. Problem number 9. The number of order pairs alpha comma beta where alpha comma beta belongs to open interval minus pi comma pi, satisfying cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 1 and cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by E. These are the options. See, solution. Given alpha comma beta belongs to open interval minus pi comma pi, then the chances become the value alpha minus beta in the interval minus 2 pi comma 2 pi, and also chances for the alpha plus beta are also minus 2 pi comma 2 pi. Given cos of alpha minus beta is equal to 1, this is possible in the interval minus 2 pi comma 2 pi only when alpha minus beta is equal to 0. From this we get alpha equal to beta. Then given cos of alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by E, cos of alpha plus beta replaced by alpha, then alpha plus alpha become as cos 2 alpha. Cos 2 alpha is equal to 1 by E, and 2 alpha also belongs to open interval minus 2 pi to 2 pi. We have to find the how many times cos 2 alpha become 1 by e in the interval minus 2 pi comma 2 pi. For this we are going to graph. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, here it is the 1, here it is the minus 1, here 0, pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi, here pi by 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, here it is 2 pi. What is the value of 1 by e? See the hint, e equal to 2.718 so on. Then 1 by 2.718 so on, that is equal to 1000, approximately 1000 by 2718, that is 0.4 something. The value is 0.4 something. See, cos of minus 2 pi, cos of minus 2 pi is 1. Cos of minus 3 pi by 2 is 0. Cos of minus pi is minus 1. Cos of minus pi by 2 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Cos 2 pi is 1. Then the graph like this. See, 0.4 something is here. 0.4 come in 4 places. First place, second, third, fourth. Then cos 2 alpha become as 1 by e in 4 times in the interval minus 2 pi comma 2 pi. Then alpha have the 4 values and beta have the 4 values in the interval minus pi to pi. Then number of ordered pairs are are 4. Option D is correct. Next, problem number 10. Given both theta and pi are acute angles and sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, cos pi is equal to 1 by 3, then the value of theta plus pi belongs to the intervals. These are the options. Solution: theta comma pi are acute angles, then these two belongs to open interval 0 to pi by 2. That belongs to first quadrant. Given sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, then theta is 30 degrees, that means pi by 6. Next, given cos pi is equal to 1 by 3. We know that 0 less than 1 by 3 less than 1 by 2. Here 0 less than 1 by 3 can be written as cos pi less than 1 by 2. Apply cos inverse for these three functions. Then cos inverse of 0. Cos function is decreasing function in first quadrant. Then inequality must be changed. Then cos inverse of 0 greater than cos inverse of cos pi. greater than cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 0 is pi by 2 greater than cos inverse cos cancelled pi greater than cos inverse of 1 by 2, that is 60 degrees. 60 degrees can be written as pi by 3. Therefore, pi belongs to open interval pi by 3 to pi by 2. Then theta plus pi. Theta plus pi belongs to pi by 6 plus pi by 3 comma pi by 6 plus pi by 2. That belongs to, it is 30 degrees plus 60 degrees, that is 90 degrees. Let LCM as 6 pi plus 3 pi pi by 2 comma 4 pi by 2, that is 2 pi by 3. Theta plus pi belongs to pi by 2 comma 2 pi by 3. Then option B is correct. Problem number 11. Which of the following numbers is rational? Here option A is sin 15, option B is cos 15, option C is sin 15 degrees into cos 15 degrees, option D is sin 15 degrees into cos 75 degrees. For solution, we know the values of sin 15 degrees is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. That is equal to cos 75 degrees. Sin 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is equal to cos 15 degrees. Option A, sin 15 degrees, that is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. That is irrational. Option B, cos 15 degrees, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, that is also irrational. Next, option number C, sin 15 degrees into cos 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 15 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. See, in denominator, 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, 4 into 2, 2 2 is 4, root 2 into root 2, 2. In numerator, this is in the form of a minus b, and this is in the form of a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is equal to 3 minus 1 by 4 into 2, that is equal to 2 by 4 into 2. 2 cancel, that is 1 by 4. This is the rational. Now we are going to option D. See, sin 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Cos 75, also root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. In denominator, 4 into 2. In numerator, this is the a, this is also a into a square, root 3 minus 1 whole square. Then root 3 whole square plus 1 square minus 2 root 3, that is equal to root 3 whole square, that is 3 plus 1 4 minus 2 root 3 by 4 into 2. 2 of 2 minus root 3 by 4 into 2, 2 cancel. This is also irrational. Then only sin 15 into cos 15 is the rational number. Option C is correct option. Next, problem number 12. 3 of sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 of sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 of sin power 6x plus cos power 6x is equal to. These are the options 11, 12, 13, 14. Solution: 3 of sin x minus cos x whole power 4 can be written as sin x minus cos x whole square due to 4 plus 6 of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 sin x into cos x plus 4 of sin power 6x plus cos power 6x can be written as sin square x whole cube plus cos square x whole cube, bracket closed. That implies 3 of sin x minus cos x whole square can be written as, is in the form a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 sin x into cos x whole square plus 6 of sin square x plus cos square is 1, 2 sin x into cos x plus 4 of, this is in the form a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube sin square x plus cos square x whole cube minus 3ab. 3ab means a sin square x, b cos square x of a plus b sin square x plus cos square x, bracket closed. That implies 3 of sin square x plus cos square is 1 minus 2 sin x into cos x whole square, 6 into 1 6 plus 6 2s 12 sin x into cos x plus 4 of sin square x plus cos square x is 1 cube, that is also 1 minus 3 into sin square x into cos square x, sin square x plus cos square x is also 1. That implies 3. This is also in the form of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square means 2 square 4 sin x whole square sin square cos x whole square cos square x minus 2ab, 2 is 4 sin x into cos x plus 6 plus 12 sin x into cos x plus 4 into 1 4 minus 4 3 is 12 sin square x into cos square x. Multiply the 3 into the bracket, 3 into 1 3 plus 4 3 is 12 sin square x into cos square x, 12 sin x into cos x plus 6 plus 12 sin x into cos x plus 4 minus 12 sin square x into cos square x. 12 sin square x into cos square x plus 12 sin square x into cos square x plus 12 sin x into cos x minus 12 sin x into cos x are cancelled. Then adding the constants, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Answer is 13. Then option C is the correct option. Next, problem number 13. The value of the expression root 3 cosecant 20 minus secant 20 is equal to. These are the options. 2 sin 20 degrees by sin 40 degrees. 4 sin 20 degrees by sin 40 degrees. Solution. Given expression can be written as root 3 into cosecant 20 can be written as 1 by sin 20 degrees minus secant 20 can be written as cos 20 degrees. That is equal to, let LCM, sin 20 degrees into cos 20 degrees. Then numerator become as root 3 into cos 20 degrees minus sin 20 degrees. Multiply and divide with 2, numerator and denominator also. Multiply and dividing by 2 to the numerator. Then numerator become as 2 into root 3 by 2 into cos 20 degrees minus 1 by 2 into sin 20 degrees by 1 by 2 into dividing with 2 and multiplying with 2 to the denominator. Then denominator become as 1 by 2 of 2 into sin 20 degrees cos 20 degrees. See, 2 denominator, 2 is the denominator of the denominator, then it's become numerator. 2 into 2, 4 of root 3 by 2 can be written as cos 30 degrees into cos 20 degrees minus 1 by 2 can be written as sin 30 degrees into sin 20 degrees by 2 sin 20 cos 20 can be written as sin 2 into 20 is in the form of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Next, 4 of in numerator, this is in the formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B can be written as cos of 30 degrees plus 20 degrees, cos of A plus B by sin 40 degrees, 2 into 2, 4, 40 degrees, 4 of cos 50 degrees by sin 40 can be written as sin of 90 degrees minus 50 degrees. That equal to 4 cos 50 degrees by cos 50 degrees. Then cos 50 degrees are cancelled. Then we get answer 4. Then option C is the correct option.